Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can save your data on Google Drive, so let's get right into it. Now, to save your data, it is very easy to do. All you have to do is just upload it to Google Drive, and you can do it in two ways. Now, on Google Drive on PC, you can just open up your file manager, click drag and drop, and it is as easy as that. It is a very efficient way, and sadly it is only available for PC, since this PCs and other similar sort of methods or platforms have the availability to multi-window view several things. However, if you're on phone or anything other, you just find the plus icon, click on it, and then select either file upload or folder upload, depending on the thing that you want to upload. If you want to upload entire folders, you can, and that'll create a new folder within Google Drive itself. However, you can also click for individual files, and that will open up your file manager, make you search for the files you want to upload, and then upload them to your Google Drive by selecting them and then just clicking upload. And that's pretty much it. And it is as simple and easy as that. Hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.